Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Today I would like to teach you about some French words and phrases and how they are used in Lingala. This is the first part. There are so many phrases and words that are used in day-to-day Lingala. So we will go step by step with them. And today I'm going to give you 10 of these. As you can see, I've tried to make it as easy as possible by typing it out for you so you can see. Excuse me, in day-to-day Lingala, a lot of French words are casually mixed with Lingala, so that for the person who does not understand French, they may not even know that that is not a Lingala word. As I have always said, Lingala is a very dynamic language, very closely associated with French, and so let us start. You must have heard from Lingala speakers, or maybe when you are listening to or watching some conversation in Lingala, the word comprendre being used. Comprendre is a verb, French verb that means to understand. Now, you'll hear somebody asking the other person, ozo comprendre. It simply means, do you understand or have you understood? So you'll hear, let's get an example. Kosukola maboko ezali malamu pona komibatela na bokono. Ozo comprendre? Washing hands is important so that you can protect yourself from disease. Do you understand? All right. You must have heard this being used every now and then. The second French word that you must have heard being used is regretter. It sounds English, so you'll understand it means to regret, to be sorry, or to miss something or somebody. So you must have heard or you'll hear a Lingala speaker saying, nazo regrete makasi. Nazo regrete. Nazali ko regrete. Okay? An example I've given you there is vraiment nazo regrete makasi pona liwa ya ndeko ya Feregola Guy Digital. I'm so sorry for the death of Feregola's brother Guy Digital. I feel sorry. Vraiment. This vraiment, I'm going to talk about it down there. I've also included, it's also French. So that is how it is used. Vraiment nazo regrete makasi. I'm really sorry. All right. Let's look at être d'accord. Être d'accord is to agree. All right. So you understand that the verbs, the way I'm putting them there, that's the infinitive. You don't need to know all that nitty-gritty of language. You only need to know how to use it. So infinitive is the verb before you conjugate it. But that's neither here nor there. As I've always said, the purpose of learning a language is to speak it. So forget about the small details of learning a language unless you want to become a teacher or something. So infinitives, all those are not important. Just know how to speak the language, that's the most important. That's my approach anyway. You've definitely heard Lingala speakers saying, naza d'accord te, esko za d'accord na ngai. So I've given examples there. Olobia solo, nazali d'accord na yo. Unasema ukweli, nakubaliana na wewe. You are speaking the truth, I agree with you. ozali mutu malamu te po ozopanza basango ya malamu te. Nazali d'accord na yo te. You are not a good person. You are spreading false rumors or false news. I don't agree with you. Nazali d'accord na yo te. I do not agree with you. Que means that. It's French, of course. You've heard this many times. Nayebi ke, ezali ke, elakisi ke. So it simply means that. Nayebi ke yo ozali moibi. I know that you are a thief. Alright? Let's move on. The fifth one is à gauche, meaning to the left. The reason I've included this is that when you want to tell somebody to go to the left, there is a Lingala expression for that. Left means na loboko ya mwasi. Right, loboko ya mobali. Of course, if you already know some Lingala, you understand that means the hand of the boy, the male, or the man, and the hand of. So it is that's direct translation, which should not happen. As a good learner of Lingala, do not translate things directly, but I'm giving you the context. So as somebody who speaks Lingala and who practices the language and who has been speaking it for long, I will tell you that the Lingala expression for left and right is rarely used. Rarely used. Na loboko ya masi, na loboko ya mobali, it's rarely used. So these French terms are the ones that are used. So somebody would say, ndako wana ezali na gauche. That house is on the left. They would have said ndako wana ezali na loboko ya mwasi. It's on the left, which is still okay. But the essence of this lesson is to let you know how these French words are used practically on a day-to-day basis. So somebody will say ndako wana ezali na loboko ya mwasi, is to the left. But most of the time somebody will say ezali na gauche, it's on the left. Same with à droite means to the right. Oko kende na droite po oko manazando. You'll go to the right, you'll take the right turn so that you can reach the market. Oko kende na droite po oko manazando. Droite means right. Alright, let's move on to another very common usage of French in Lingala. You must have known that Lingala, or some of you know that Lingala does not really have a word for please or an expression for please. So we use the French words s'il te plaît or s'il vous plaît. They both mean please. The only difference is that in French, there is a way that you address people who are older than you or who are senior than you. You use vous. While those people who are younger than you or who are below you, you use tu. So if it is somebody who is your age or younger than you, at the same level as you, you say s'il te plaît, please. An older person says s'il vous plaît. So they're usually abbreviated as STP, s'il te plaît, SVP, s'il vous plaît. So example, you say pesangai mungwa s'il te plaît. Give me salt, please. Or s'il vous plaît. Limbisangai s'il te plaît na sali malamu te. Forgive me, please. I have not done good or well. I've done something bad. Okay, let's now come to vraiment, the word I used up there. Vraiment is used a lot by Lingala speakers. It simply means really or to say the truth. Alright? An example I've given here is vraiment yo ozali ndeko na ngai ya solo. To say the truth, really, you are my real brother. Vraiment yo ozali ndeko na ngai ya solo. Somebody will also say, you'll speak and then somebody will say, vraiment, really, vraiment, really. So that's how vraiment is used. Sentiment, you've heard this a lot, simply means feelings. Rumba ipesaka batu sentiment ya esengo. Rumba gives people feelings of happiness. Lastly but not least, I've included this word that has been misused a lot by people who don't understand what it means. PDG. PDG is just a title, and we pronounce it PDG following the French alphabet. The French alphabet, P is P, D is D, G is J. All right? G is J, but J is J. B is B. That's why we say J B mpiana, J B mpiana, J B mpiana, J B mpiana. So PDG means Président Directeur Général. Président Directeur Général. That is the French equivalent of CEO, Chief Executive Officer. And a CEO usually heads a company or an enterprise. I haven't given any examples here because it is usually used to praise people in songs. So say PDG Eric, PDG Mandala, PDG so and so. All right? So for today, those 10 words and expressions will be enough. Next, I will be tackling other French words and expressions that are normally used in Lingala. Subscribe to our channel. Let's hope you enjoy learning with us. Practice to speak because this is an oral language. Don't just learn and keep it to yourself. Practice, make mistakes, you are going to be good within no time. Au revoir, goodbye, see you in the next video.